It's typical for a company that's successful and growing to ironically end up with a back office mess eventually. The story goes something like this. So companies naturally grow in complexity, uniqueness, and volume. More people get involved creating and using the data. Company leaders, IT administrators, accountants. More marketing, sales, and operation data needs to be related to the financial data as well, because finance is a dimension of every business decision. Change happens iteratively, so they add additional small changes to accommodate growth. They add another app, they open up another spreadsheet. Let's call this group of applications and data sources the app pool to simplify things a bit. Meanwhile, all these independent apps require the same data to function, such as customer information, contact information, transaction history. So then the problem is seen to morph. It is framed as an IT integration problem. So companies hire expensive integration firms, buy expensive middleware to sync software applications, and hire highly skilled, expensive IT staff to make it all work. This fragile solution is not scalable, and it is unreliable and untimely, as it breaks often, and it's in a constant state of repair. Congratulations, you've arrived at the land of accounting dysfunction. This results in a frustrated company leader who is over budget in their overhead, a stressed out IT administrator, and an ill-equipped accountant who relies on timely and accurate data to do his job and has none. Organizations who enter this land often repeat a loop. They say the problem is too big to solve, and they repeat the same cycle over and over again, saying, oh, we just need better apps, better integrations, more successful and skilled staff. The expectations of dysfunction start to set in. The CEO gets used to the large budget. The IT administrator gets used to the stress and brokenness. The accountant gets used to unreliable and untimely data and has to double check everything. In 2008, a company figured out a better way. What if instead of a bunch of independent apps that don't talk to each other or share the same data, you could have a bunch of apps that could be layered upon each other and share the exact same data source? In addition, you had a tool set to completely configure the user interface and automate any process that you need to from back to front across the data layers with clicks and no code. This solution exists. It's actually been here for over 10 years and has over 15,000 users. It's called Accounting Seed, and it's an alternate strategy over having a massive app pool. Accounting Seed is a platform built to consolidate all your back office data sources into one unified source. It provides what we call a single data model. A single data model is a designated home for all your data. Just like a clean, tidy house or workshop, everything's nicely labeled and has a pre-designed place, so you know exactly where to find it every time you need it. It's the same concept applied to your corporate IT data. Furthermore, Accounting Seed is powered by Salesforce.com. So if you are running your sales, service, or operations on Salesforce, these apps also are just additional layers in the same core data model. Now you have a single source of truth for your entire business management solution. Once your data is organized and all in one place, you can automate any process you like, since it's all in one platform using the same tool set, neatly organized. And the story ends happily, with the company leaving the land of accounting dysfunction. The company leader has achieved the lowest cost of ownership, accurate and timely financial reporting. The IT administrator can optimize, automate, and add value to the IT solution rather than just serve as a repair technician. The accountant has the accurate and timely data at their fingertips to analyze and prepare for the company leaders.